Hey guys, are you spending much time to extract the numbers from this text field? Let me show you some trick. In this table, we have two different fields which is price and quantity, and I need to calculate the total spent amount. But how to do that one? If you are using the sum formula, then you will be getting an error since you are trying to calculate the text field. But before we are calculating, we need to convert these text fields into number. But how? Use the percentage symbol and press 120, then multiply 5. This is nothing but I'm just taking the number from these two different fields, which is price and quantity. Now you can use the Ctrl E shortcut key flash fill. Click on the Ctrl H, which is the shortcut key here to replace the value. Mention the find value as percentage symbol and replace value as equal symbol. Now click on replace all. You could see the output here by calculating both price and quantity. Easy, right? Now we can use the sum formula to find out the total spent amount. Stay connected to know more about Excel tricks and subscribe this channel to get more videos. See you again.